today's video, I'm going to show you how to cross out your text using your Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you're dealing with some text that need to be crossed out or add a strike through to your text, here's how you can do it. So adding a strike through is quite easy. If you have a bunch of words, like for this one right here, if we have a single word on our cell, if we tap on that to select it, then go to the Format tool at the top. One of your options would be your strike through right here. If we tap on strike through, there you have it. That is what it's going to look like. Now your strike through color will depend on what your text color is. If I were to change my text color into orange, then the strike through will also turn into orange. Now there's another way for you to add a strike through. Now, if we go to our conditional formatting, which is exclusive to Android users when you're using the Google Sheets app, if we were to select these cells right here, there you go, then go to, again, Format tool at the top, swipe up until you see conditional formatting, select that, and go to Format Cells If. So we're going to have text contains, or text is exactly negative. There we go. We're going to be changing the formatting style. So we're going to customize that. Remove the fill color. None. Text color will not be affected. But if we go to the strike through right here, there you go. That is what it's going to look like. So again, the strike through color will be depending on the text color. If we tap on done right here and close this off, you will see that we have our text crossed out the same way as if we've added it with the first method. And there you have it. The texts have also been crossed out using the conditional formatting tool here in the Google Sheets app. So there are two ways you can cross out your text here in the Google Sheets app. You can directly apply it by selecting that cell, go to Format tool, and select the strike through right here. Or the second method, where you can select that cell and apply some conditional formatting rules, and there you have it. If you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. For watching this quick tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.